Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this Bitvae Daily Electric Toothbrush. So this toothbrush kit is actually pretty cool. It comes with 8 brush heads and a carrying case and everything included in one. So this is all the information on the back. Comes with a USB cable to charge, so it isn't a wireless charging like you would expect with like a Philips Sonicare or something. But this is a pretty good price. So if you look at the price is going to be vastly better than what you would have to pay for some of those other ones. This is the carrying case with it, so you can see how you can put it in this case and travel with it, and it'll stay nice and secure. Okay, let's go ahead and put a brush head on and see how it works. So as you can see, the brush head has different depth bristles on there, as well as a grippy silicone back, which can massage your gums as well. Put it in this way. So there's an arrow here. You put the brush head like that, and it lines up, and then you twist it in place, and when you get it to that dot, it's in place. Hit the power button and you can see how it's moving. You can see how the brush head looks blurred, and that's because it's moving. Let me turn it off and you can see. So it has this really quick movement here. It feels good. As I'm touching my nail here, you can feel the vibration. It doesn't seem like overly strong or underly strong. And then you have different modes here. Once the brush is on, you just press the button to change the modes of vibration. For softer, for polish, it'll be beating like that. And then for gum care, you just use the back of it and brush your gums or massage your gums. So this is a really lightweight, so it's super lightweight, really lightweight brush. Comes with the carrying case. The charging code, it's like a pin charger right here, and then it connects to any USB adapter. And once you have it charged, it should last you at least a couple of weeks before you have to charge again. I'm surprised with how lightweight it is. Feels like a regular toothbrush with it's not electric, yet it has all the features of an electric toothbrush. And then the mode will save onto the last mode, so you can. This is a really nice product. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.